Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by removing the keycap and evaluating what's wrong. You want to see whether the retainer, spring, or rubber dome failed. Use a flat tool and pull straight up. Slow, steady pressure prevents breakage. Once the cap is off, compare the scissor or butterfly retainer to a working key so you spot missing clips. Make sure to keep small parts on a tray. You'll need them immediately for reassembly and to decide if a replacement piece is required. Once you know the failed component, handle the retainer next. Position the two halves so their hooks face the matching slots on the switch plate, then lower one side and clip the other in place. You'll feel it click. If the rubber dome is damaged, replace it. Press a new dome into the membrane area until it sits flush. Make sure to test the keystem travel by pressing the hinge gently. Proper alignment ensures even contact and prevents future sticking. You finish by placing the keycap over the retainer, aligning the front edge first, then pressing straight down until it snaps. You should feel consistent travel and a clean return. If the key still fails to register, make sure the keyboard connector is fully seated and test the switch area with a known good key to isolate electrical versus mechanical faults. If sticking persists, clean under the switch with compressed air and isopropyl. If that fails, replace the module or use an external key replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.